Chad, welcome back to New York session, everyone. I hope you guys are well and are loving it. Let's get to these markets. Ooh. I've got a very bad picture right now. You know.
No, I'm not muted.
Okay, just testing. Okay, that's unmuted. Oh, I mean, I don't have the echo anymore.
Okay.
You don't have to unmute that when you talk. The mic's always on.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay, yeah, sorry about that, guys. Just a little quick one. As we said, this is our little demo week on all the new equipment. But otherwise, we're just going to figure it all out. That's not going to be much of an issue. But yeah, as I say, welcome back, guys. Markets have been really moving actually a little bit nicely. A bit of a slow start, but they got up and going. But yeah, welcome back to New York session with myself and Jev. Jev, how you been doing today, my man?
I've been doing good. Market's looking great. Just waiting for these setups.
Okay, so yeah, guys, we are going to just test music. We're going to drop that for you now. So there we go. Time to zone in. Time to get nice and serious. There we go, guys. Okay, now that everything's lacquer, there we go. Okay, so let's slowly get into it. We're gonna give the guys a little bit of time to get in, but then we'll get into it. Keenan, let's go. Back in the game. Yellow, welcome to Clap City. Blessings, afternoon. Came back strong. Music a bit loud. Yeah, we dropped it for you guys now. The sound is crisp. Could you guys turn down the music volume a bit? Yeah, sorry guys, we did drop it. It was just while we were testing all the sound. Let's go. What's up? Jeff with a banger signal yesterday. Jeff, what signal did you give yesterday?
It was Nasdaq. Nasdaq ran to TP1 and 2.
Oh yeah, I remember. Yeah. So yeah.
And also, guys, remember yesterday when we spoke about GBP USD? Remember I told you guys I'm going to delete my pending order, and the reason for that was timing. And you guys would see exactly half past 7 last night when price came to the zone. It didn't hold the level because the timing was out. So hopefully that gives you guys some more perspective as to why you should always trade at the right time.
Alright guys, but okay, we are going to get into the markets, do our quick analysis. As I mentioned to you guys yesterday, so we don't have screen sharing yet on the new setup. We are just finalizing a few things, so that will be coming back again soon. But until then, yeah, every time if Jev is just writing down something, I will try to go over to the chart and just show you visually what he's talking to. So obviously I'll listen out for what he's saying, and then I'll try to show you on the chart what he's talking about. But everything would just be on my screen, okay? But with dollar, guys, so let's just break it down quickly. We go over to the day. You can see I am bearish, but we've had 2 bullish days. Obviously open up with a massive gap over there, continuing to this top side. But as we say, Monday and Tuesday tend to normally go opposite direction for the week. So we have gone up. For me, if you can see, we are now at the pivot and this weekly key level. So exactly perfect. If we can either reject off of here and start turning bearish, that will be exactly what we want to see. On the daily, you can see how we've had that push on the 4 hour, closed back below this. The next 4 hour, we opened up underneath the key level. We were just retesting again, but a much more less momentum to the top side. So this can be where the dollar can start flipping. So that is going to be quite important. Now, as I said, we are there. We are at that key level. So I would love to see dollar start closing back below and coming back down to show us that weakness. As we saw, Asia lows untested with that little bit of a gap. So I would love to see us get back underneath this key level, hold this rejection, and trade back down. So when we go over to gold, guys, let's show you what happened. Yeah, same thing. Okay, I am bullish on gold, but we had this nice big pullback here. When you guys want to start looking long term, as I always say to you, take the candle that was your breakaway candle. Let's go there. Let's go to the high of the day. What's that? You can see daily key level just before the 61. Beautiful, beautiful pullback on the fib. And I always say, you guys, fib don't lie. So there we go. That's just our pullback. A lot of people want to be like, oh no, gold's bearish. Trust me, it's not bearish yet. Not until these zones are given up and these areas here are given up, gold is not bearish. These, end of the day, are just a pullback, and that is the scary thing about it. So we've had the big there, we claim, retested, literally same as over here you guys have seen before, and turned around. So we go to the 15. Oh, sorry guys. We came in, we test this area, and we took off, showing you that the buyers are coming into the market here. Why is my mouse frozen? That we are now back above this key level. So I'm going to look to continuously carry on from here. So very, very simple. If we can stay around this area on market open, I would love to get back to Asia lows. Obviously hold Asia lows and continue upwards. Okay, so I would love us to just get this type of momentum, and we could even see us go back to Asia highs and the highs. So if anything, this can be the low of the week. So very, very nice trades that we're just going to keep an eye on over here. Let's just put it underneath just in case, so we know we can just stay in this area for market open. I genuinely don't understand the fib or how to use it. When you're done with analysis, could you explain a bit, please, Keeks? I'll try and get into it, but it is actually quite a big thing to start breaking into for you guys to understand. So gold there, obviously guys, we are looking for the buys. That is my preferred option. US30. If we, why does this mouse keep sticking? I think the batteries are going low on it. So on the day, we closed bearish yesterday, guys. A little bit of indecisive candle, but I am bullish again. Same thing with, as I said, dollar. So that was just that push. A lot of the time, guys, I always say to people, you'll see these things. For example, like this, literally over here, you get the bullish push. You get, as I always say to people, an indecisive candle. Then afterwards, you'll get that bearish push. So same thing over here. Only difference is at this time I'm going more bearish. Yeah, I would have been bullish on the dollar. Now I am bearish on the dollar. So if anything, this can just be the fake out. So we can see a push come down, and that's why we'll just be very vigilant. If we can catch it, we'll catch it. But I do see this being a bit of a fake out, taking the lower here already and turning around. So that's the key thing we're watching out for, is that we have taken the lows and turning around. So now we can turn around and continue that bullish momentum to the top side. So we're just going to break it down and see where we can see those sells come in. Like I said, if we are just going to be vigilant that if we can break below, we'll do that. But as you guys can see how things are already starting to form here on the 15. We stayed around Asia range the whole time. We came down here, tested Asia highs, broke all the way down. So very, very simple. We came straight momentum one way, came back up to test Asia highs. We came down, faking out Asia lows to get your sellers, came back for Asia high, came all the way down, making the low of the day, also taking out the low of the previous day, to then continue all the way back above Asia lows, regain Asia lows, retest Asia highs, and now we'll see if we can gain Asia highs and continue upwards. That would be the most ideal trade for us today, guys. But again, we will just stick to the market and see what we can find. All right. Nas, literally very, very identical thing. So again, very, very simple, but we're going to see what we can do over there. So if we start going over here, you'll see very, very bullish market. Also had our pullback. So yeah, we don't even have any indecisive candles, so we know we are bullish. That's very, very simple to what we're going to look for. We've got this pullback, massive bullish engulfing candle. But again, for me, if I look here, no top wick, so there is the chance we can have the pullback. So if I look at the pullback, literally this candle came from Asia highs. So very, very simple, guys. If I look at this now over there, I would love just to see, because of what higher time frames are telling me, maybe I'll pull back to Asia highs, hold as support, and then continue from there. So that would be my ideal trade on Nas today. Let me just move this up. I don't know why this thing keeps on losing signal, but that would be my ideal trade on Nas. So Nas, we're going to look for bars, guys. US30, we're looking for bars, and gold, we are looking for bars. So let's say gold can just stay around this area. That will be a beautiful thing for us. But yeah, we're just going to stick it out with those and see what happens there. So Jev, what are you looking at for this New York session?
So pretty simple, sticking to the pairs we've been looking at gold, looking for some buys, waiting for that pullback so I can go long on it. On GBP USD, also waiting for price to break down, breaking the daily low, and then at institution level 1.22500, gonna look to go long there. Just need to wait for the action. USD yen, looking for some sells on that around 15100. So we'll see how price reacts around that point, and I'll circle back to you on Nasdaq and USD.
Perfect. Alright guys, so just quick ones. You guys saw them, GU and UJ, where the areas are he's looking at. But as you said, we will just keep you guys up to date with those ones. But as you said, gold bars, US30 bars, NAS bars, those are our plan. But we're going to see what the markets can give us. Alright guys. What's happening in the market today? Okay, I got a nice buy in gold there. What can't... Hey, Kyle, my boy. Good to see you, my brother. US30 bullish open. So yeah, I want to see US30. I think it's the one I said to you. I want to see a straight bullish momentum, but NAS, I want to see a bit of a pullback before we continue. So yeah, US30, even how it is now, that's fine, as I said, because I do want that bullish momentum. I don't want us to be going down here again anymore. But again, NAS probably looking the better of the two. If we're going to just get that pullback and then go long, because we've tested daily pivots and EQs, so nothing there. Where US30, our EQ and pivot is above us, but as again, I am still bullish on both, so definitely can see us taking both of those. Okay, it's all good then. Gold moving up. So Redak, just before we go into about fib or anything like that, what trading strategy do you use? Personally, I am someone that I do kind of say the fib works better with certain trading strategies. So if you like RCT or SMC or things like that, it depends how you trade, if it really actually is even something you should consider. Otherwise, if you haven't been like too seriously lost without it, then again, not something you really need. End of the day, guys, the fib isn't a trading strategy, it's just a confluency. It's just something to add there as a little extra. But yeah, guys, market's actually really looking good today, so definitely think we can get a nice trade here. Literally 27 minutes left till market open, or 17 minutes left till market open. Sorry about that. And then we can get a trade. I'm definitely ready to go, guys. Really feeling good now, so it should be a good one. Good afternoon, boys. Lucky to see you back here, shorty. Minty, where'd you get those gold bars, bro? At the bottom, that key level, the 1957. Just let me know. Okay, see, because I noticed you used it to try and measure how far a pullback could be. Again, I really use it because of zones, but yeah, I have like, so where I use my fib, so if we just quickly pull it out here, so you'll see I've got like colors on mine. So I just said those because my background's black. Normally if it's white, those are black, That's orange because obviously I'm not 100% happy with those, but you can see it where I have these ones. So I call it my golden zone. So yes, those are gold, but this is like the golden zone, the 50 and the 61. Just from where I've back tested, when I started using the fib was basically on US30 and NAS. If I could get pullbacks into this zone a lot of the time and there were key levels, it worked like a bomb. So it just helps you identify areas of a pullback to see where volume can be potentially going to. So obviously when I'm doing it, like I say, I'm not preempting. So a lot of people, what they will do is, like, let's just say now this candle broke away, there's a broken structure, so now this is your high, so you want to see where your high and low is going to come in. You will take it and draw it from there to your high point, and now they'll go, okay, your pullback's going to come round about here somewhere, so they can wait for the pullback. When they start seeing it start flipping, yeah, now they go, okay, that is in the zone, so it most likely is going to become my flip zone, and they'll enter long. Well, how I use it is, like I said, I will wait till it's in that zone and use it as a confluency. So once I now know I want to go long, I want to do whatever, so we're there, I'm now drawing it, I can see, okay, cool, we are in my golden zone. Now I will look for bar models and so on, and then I will enter off it as an extra confluency into my trading strategy. Nas bearish, no, bullish. Yeah, I threw a 0.5% on the 1 minute bounce at the bottom. Wasn't too confident. I've seen similar in the past. Yeah, bro. Well, I mean, literally, if you just go a little bit to the side, you will see on the past how it played out perfectly. Where is it? This is, I'm touching everything I shouldn't be touching. Yeah, so if you went back just a little bit, you would see how it reacted on that same zone. I don't pretend to be a pro, lol. Nas spike in pre-market. Okay, thanks. Wow, that was a perfect explanation. Thank you, Keegan. No problem, brother. So yeah, I can't even remember because, like I said, it's been so long since I've actually done it. So I don't know if the settings are different, like if I actually changed any of my settings. I think when I did it or used my fib, I think like I just changed my colors and obviously deactivated some because they were pointless to me. So that I remember, like you'll see I unselected certain ones because I don't want to see them on my NAS, on my fib. So I only have these ones. That's the ones I have set. Obviously the colors I have them set at. And yeah, that's how I use my fib. As I said, just as an extra confluency into the trading. But yeah, guys, as I said, gold, we've had the break above, very, very simple. And like I said, so we know we were looking for the pullback. We know we've got the pullback here. We've traded back above, so we know buyers are coming into the market. We've traded back above to our other zone, so we can see the market is now starting to flip. We'll wait for a little bit of entry confirmation over here, and then we can get in, which literally, yeah, would be perfect. So for example, if we got the break literally here, that's a perfect entry model. Yeah, I would enter longs right here if this 5 minute closes above this, but it is pre-market, so I'm not going to take the risk on that one. So that one's out of it for me, guys. It's just one of those things. I'm assuming fibs are used on the higher time frames opposed to lower. Yeah, 100%, bro. So obviously higher time frames also show more support, more value, because there's a lot more information condensed into those candles, so they show you the bigger picture of things. So 100% it is a lot more effective on the higher time frames. Yeah, guys, 152 viewers at the moment, only 60 likes. Guys, please can we get those likes up to 100? That's all we ask for, you guys. Everything here is free. All we ask for is a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Let's get everything ready on this side. Nas bullish, Nas performs, Nas is running, high important is journaling, very, very important. Flip into New York session for the rest of the year, bro. Oof, bro. I'm gonna see you killing the markets. Yeah, New York sessions where it's at, all the volume, markets move, you can be in and out, don't have to sit here for hours. Yeah, New York sessions where it's at 100%. She'll be back. She always comes back. Open is her reactive move. Exactly, guys. That's why we wait for that 15-minute shuffle. So Nas, 100%. She runs. It's all right. We can definitely wait. US30, there we go. So back again, yeah. Everything play out perfectly. We just need these 10 minutes to come and go. So we can get it nice, yeah, where we want it. Thank you. But yeah, US30 and Nas both turning bullish. DXY dropping off at the weekly pivot. So gold doing its thing. As I say, guys, that would have been an entry model. We got a top wick. We have the pullback just above that zone, but it is literally just before market open, so I can't enter that one just yet, guys. If you got some bigger balls than I do, you can go for it if you want to. Yeah, bro, London has been ass in the third and fourth quarter, bro. Don't even say I started about it. We've been sitting here some sessions for like hours, and we're not getting anything. So yeah, London's been, whew, it's been tough lately. And especially the pairs. Like, I mean, I like trading like my GU, and I love GJ. And GJ has just been so hard. It's just like up and down, doesn't know what it wants to do. It's, London's been tough. Always per market manipulation. Already sounding so much better than yesterday. I swear it's not the market that can predict the future for. Alright, guys. Nas, as you said, taking off US30. Even like I said, I want to take it off Asia highs. So if US30 can just stay around here, as I mentioned, basically find some support here, we can then look to go long. So I hope we can get something that don't run away from us today. Gold, as I said, that's already perfect for me, but I can't take it as of yet. So we just have to see what happens there. Oof, gold already looks like she's getting a bit of pump in the market. There's no news today, so nothing we need to watch out for on that side. GJ broke my heart far too many times. Yeah, GJ, it's a love-hate relationship. I think I just have a very good love relationship with it at the moment because I've actually been very, very successful on it. But as lately, it's just not giving me those like triple A grade setups. What do you think about GBP JPR right now? Well, it's out of session. You've had actually the big push to the top side, so I feel you've lost the move. You've missed out on it already. She violent. Chad, I am spying GJ again. Oh, there you go. Chris is looking at GJ again. Like I said, guys, we were watching it this morning. There's the trade. From the whole day, like from the whole start, we wanted to buy nothing. This is the move, literally right here, guys. This whole move right here is what we wanted over there. We wanted the break above, bring down, form a bit of resistance, come back up, break above, and there you go. That's what we wanted there. This is what we got. So literally the moves just played out. But as I say, guys, like that's already your move there. So in my book, you've missed it. Yes, you can still regain. So if anything now, you can get Asia highs, and from Asia highs look to continue upwards from there. But yeah, for me, that's the move there that I missed. So I wouldn't take it now. But like I said, New York sessions where I'm at. So I'm watching gold, US30 and Nas. Okay, Nas give us a bit of a pullback. Nas is my girl. She never hurts me. Sure, bro. I wish I could say that about Nas. Nas is my girl, but she's humbled me a few times. The music is very depressing, broski. Let's see if we can change it. There we go. Oh, that one's better, my man. I gave the bites a second go and got in at 184.860. Ooh. Could you turn it down or off? Cheers, but. Hey, we're not turning our music off, bro. Music's a vibe. I just can't play any Drake or something here without being what's her name? Getting cucked on. Yeah, no, this one is better at all. She hits me in the places that are dead from GJ clapping. US30, oh. Don't do this to us now. So originally guys, this is already looking better, but yeah, we just need to break this zone, and I think gold can really get that volume back in it. But yeah, it's just a point of playing it nicely now. Copyrighted. Oh, there we go. That's the word I was looking for. Okay, 4 minutes till market open, guys. 4 minutes. DXY is holding the weekly pivot, so I'd love to see it get rejected, yeah, but my only thing is, guys, maybe dollar shocks us, or dollar comes for pain and does something like these candles over here and just pushes up. Oof, dollar can go and hurt some people badly. So that's all I'm really worried about on that side. But on 15 minutes, I'm still really liking this. Nothing yet too worried about there. Bro, where's the best entry now on one pair, bro? Plan for Nas. I want to buy a Nas, but I'd love to see it at least have a pullback to Asia highs and then go from there. I know it seems a lot, but obviously market opens. Yes, these things can fly. Nas will pump and dump you like a so it's just a date now and then. Ah, it's a good one. Nas or US30, so both of them are not at entry points yet now, my man. Both of them you're gonna wait for. Okay, basically a minute and 20 seconds till market open, guys. A minute 20. So New York sessions actually start at 4:30. Yeah, 4:30, bro. That's when market opens. Are you guys in Cape Town? No, in PE. Let's see what we can get you guys. Trust me, I want to take a trade today. I want to take a trade. What can we get? Okay, and markets are open. Let's see what happens, guys. Okay, Nas pump it up. US30 not doing much. Also having a little bit of a pump. Gold. How did 15 close? I hate it and I love it. DXY closing bearish off the weekly pivot. Alright guys, so maybe I'll take a shot at gold, yeah. The fact we are still holding above this area. Maybe I'll get my entry there. We're still maintaining the win streak. Unfortunately not. We took a loss yesterday of 0.5%. Oh, gold, don't do this to us. Just stay there. Just stay there. When did Chris say he's going to be in Cape Town? He's going to be in Cape Town Monday next week. When SA do you guys stay in PE? That's not too bad though. Yeah, bro. I think literally it was like 11.5% last week to be down 5% yesterday. So it was 0.5%. So I mean, literally, we still would be up like from 11% last week. When you said it took 4 years to be profitable, I assume you had other jobs or were you trading on the side? Yeah, so I was just trading on the side then. I only went full time this year. Yeah, definitely still up there for sure. Yeah, guys, let's try to say it's okay to take losses, guys. That's the whole thing about risk management. You can take a loss and make 3 times back just with one good trade. So like that's why I'm never scared to take a trade, because I know like I'll make it back. Even if it is a loss, I'm not scared to take a trade. I'm from the Cape. The Cape boys representing. US30 giving us that little pullback to the Asia highs. So we just need to see how the candle closes. DXY pushing up. Ooh, that might be a problem. That one might be a problem there, guys. DXY is pushing up. I'm sell side biased on US30. So why are you on the sell side? We rejected off the Asia highs. Wait, you sell because you rejected off Asia highs. We're only bouncing off the Asia highs now. So how are you? Jay is very quiet today. Ooh, Jay.
Yeah, to be honest, I had my first red day in a very, very long time. So the side of me that's like, only have one bullet left. So I have to make sure that whatever trade I take is the perfect one. And I'm either looking at GBP, USD or gold. But gold's looking very, very nice.
Alright guys, gold is just a little bit back and forth for me at the moment, so I don't know, but yeah, US30 and NAS. US30 closing back above Asia highs, so that's already giving me what I want there. And NAS coming back down, so US30, we might take the shot at again. The only thing I don't like is that the dollar breaking above that weekly pivot. That I don't like. That's what I gotta watch out for.
Nasdaq looks like it induced long before the news opened. I mean, before the market opened. Now it looks like it's inducing short. So if they can come back very quickly, we could just get in that buy. So gotta be waiting for that.
Okay, 5 minutes are closed. Ooh. Guys, you might think I'm crazy, eh? I need to wait for confirmation, yeah. Like, I want to enter the sells. Only problem is, I said, so dollar closed it above that weekly pivot, which I don't like. And US30 AD is still bullish. When Nas, we are bearish. But I don't like that with the dollar, guys. I don't like that yet. We need to get under that pivot. Be conservative. I need a win. Bro. When you start needing things, my man, ish. Then I'm guessing it's been a tough week. Your comeback strong, bruv. I took it out today as well. Nas following the patterns. Spike, you up in. Guys, when is it CPR? Next week, I think. That's something you guys told me that I use all time. Now look at the DXY. It's a great one. Jeff, if you look at the 50-minute on gold, would you say there's a fair value gap from 1962 to 1959 that needs to be filled before going up?
So yes, actually on gold, that is what my plan is based on. So we have a demand zone which formed there this morning. I think, what's the time? So 2:45 we tapped into that demand zone, and then basically we moved towards the upside. So if you use a box system, if you've studied the J system, he uses these like basically the last 1 hour candle before a certain strike zone. Place your high and your low, breaks above. Then you have your fractal break of structure. So price broke to the upside. There's a fair value gap and also demand zone. So on the C, price filled the fair value gap and hit the demand zone. On 50-minute charts, I don't enter on the fair value gap. I only enter fair value gaps on the 1 minute or the 3-minute chart. Because in most cases, if you look at the 15-minute, in most cases, they will violate the fair value gap.
There you have it, ladies and gents. Alright, okay guys, I think Nas is what I'm going to wait for. So, the reason being is I want the pivot to on dollar to get underneath here. So this needs to close bearish for me to get underneath there, which that gives time for Nas to still come back to Asia highs, and then if that starts flipping bearish, the bars can be turned on in Nas. So that's what I'm gonna wait for there, guys. US30, end of the day, if it is holding there, you can still see the bars. I did say you want to have Asia highs, but yeah, I'm gonna wait for Nas. Nas gonna short. Anton, go for my brother. I think the last time you gave your thing against me, you lost the wager there. But may the better man win. Uh-oh. That's what it is. Trade the opposite of for mega profits. I say, guys, no one says like you have to do what we do. Eh? So always like fade us and you can make money. I've always said don't put the pressure on us. This isn't a signals group. So you do what you want to do. I'm gonna do what I want to do, and we just take it from there. But as I said, if this doesn't turn bearish, those sells can very much be on, guys.
Leaving.
But yeah, guys, so that's why we're going to keep quiet on this one. I'm so quiet now, sharing your strategy. It's so quick now, sharing your strategy. I don't get that message, but alright. I blow cards, you pass them, I'm good following you. As I said, guys, so again, I'm not anti, bro. I promise it's not like I'm taking a dig at you. If this carries on bullish, 100% those sales are on, 100%. just my long-term bias. I am more bearish. But again, my key area is at Asia highs, so I'll decide what's going to happen once we get there. I'm personally here for the vibes, and because y'all from SA as well, so I have to support, and I appreciate that. Definitely appreciate that. DXY. Okay, so it did close bearish, but it did close above the weekly pivot, so I'm still not 100% on that one yet. That I'm not 100% on. US30 breaking below the below Asia highs. So let's see, guys. There we go. Okay, DXY jumping off. So Nas, come on. Okay, Nas, give it to us. Okay, Nas, then. Can we just get to Asia highs, guys? That's all we need to look for. Can we get to Asia highs? Or is she gonna turn around here? Let's see, let's see. Come on, go to Asia lows, or Asia highs, sorry. Do you worry about the orange folder or just the red? Just red, bro. Okay, guys. If this closes like this now, that's it. We're gonna start looking for these bars. US30, there we go. So if this doesn't run, yeah, don't run now. Don't flip and run. Okay, because Nas I think might not pull back then. US30, if we can get, yeah, guys, above Asia highs on this 5-minute closure, we're gonna go for the longs. These guys will definitely have 100k subs a year from now. Mark my words. Oh, bro, really appreciate the love. So what we're going off of, that's what I say, guys. This needs to close. Yeah, that's the thing. Remember, we want to get back below weekly pivot. So that's what this whole everything right now is basically on these candles. We need this to start going bearish, guys. That's the big thing right now. So if this can break, yeah, have that break of structure, get back under that weekly pivot, the bars are on like Donkey Kong. I'm just bleak that this thing might not go down, but US30 looks like she'll give us the entry. Gold going down. It can definitely. It could. Come on, come on. Okay, come on. Play nice, play nice. Okay, 1 minute 30 basically. Let's see how this closes. Come on, US30, come on. Nas already turning and going. Hurting some people's feelings again, just leaving without us. But it's okay. It's alright. US30 looks like she's gonna give us the shot. DXY, come on, just close like this. Just close like that. Just close like that. That's all we need. Oh yeah, crap, I need to actually change this one. I remember I fixed it. I found why my flipping US30 wasn't right, guys. There we go. Just cocking it off there.
I think I know why there's no sit-ups as yet. There's about 200 people watching and only half of them liked the live stream. I think if we can get another 25% to like it, it's gonna pump some volume and see some sit-ups. Come on, guys, let's manifest it.
Okay, guys. Yo, US30. I'm gonna go in on US30, guys. Ooh, don't run away. Don't you run away. Okay, I wanted to go. There you go. Go bearish. Close. Go bearish, you little shit. Come on. Come on. Let me get that entry again. Don't you run away. Don't run away. Come on. Go down. Go down. Yes, yes. Alright, guys. I'm in on US30. I'll tell you now exactly where my entry is. Hi, boy. How's it that high? What? Okay, guys, this thing is not right again. Clearly not. Because, yeah, that's where my entry says I'm at. But I obviously ain't there. So, oh. Why? Why is it doing this to me? Let's see what the other US30 had. Because, yes, this. Times are tough, eh, guys. That was also like up there. US30. Guys. Sure, brother. Let's actually look here. Wait, hold on. So we got some big brain energy here, guys. Details. Tell me who the broker is here. Some big brain energy. Pretty sure it's meant to tell me something else, but not that. Hey, am I the only person that flipping battles with this thing? US30. No, my thing says Dow Jones, okay? Promise you it says Dow Jones. But I can guarantee you that's not where my entry point is. Like, there's not a mood that's where my entry point is.
Wait, Geeks, what's that? Is that on the Thunder Challenge?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I've also had the same
Hey,
problem.
yours also never lines up.
I've had the same problem with Nasdaq and...
My Nasdaq lines up perfectly. But US30, it like doesn't line up with any other chart here. It's so weird.
Usually in a case like that, what I do is I then look at the entry on the phone and I compare that pattern to my chart to throw it on there. I feel like maybe you could do that for the peoples.
Because that's what I'm like trying to do, yeah, now, bro. And it's like... Okay, guys, if you aren't in the trade yet, don't take it because right now I'm in a little bit of drawdown. Like nothing major, but I am. So... You're not missing out on anything. But if this was the trade, let's see if I can find like a key level here type of thing. So it looks like my trade is like there. Yeah. Yeah, I'd say that's, so basically the numbers are off, but that's basically where my trade is. So let's just go a 35 pip stop because of how volatile it is. But yeah, that is where the trade currently is at, guys. So if I had to use this, that is where things are like lining up. Yeah, that's pretty much I'd say where they're lining up. Alrighty, let's see here. So we have the Alpha 200 watches. At a key spread, maybe. I've seen spread on US30 at like 200. Yeah, no, bro. It can get pretty wild. Like, I won't even lie. That it can get wild. It's like 320. US30 prices are all different. Price also offers different trade views to brokers. But again, it's only this funded account. Only this one I've had issues with. Any other account I've ever done, like, I've never had issues with US30. It's literally only this one. Apple just went negative on the daily. Watch you be a downside. Different broker afternoon. Yeah, guys. As I said, at the end of the day, that lines up. Like, that literally is how my chart looks. But the entry numbers are just different, basically. From what I can see, that's like the only thing. So, I mean, that doesn't bother me too much. But we are in profits. There we go. That's what we want to see, ladies and gents. That's what we came here for. Little 0.5%. I'm okay with you. We are starting in profits here, ladies and gents. What is Nas doing? Nas is already on his own mission once again. Nas could really fly though, I think. Like, that thing could actually really move today. So that's a pity we couldn't get it on that one. But oh well. US30 chilling about. Yesterday, we closed out early, literally to see it change and go our way like 5 minutes after. So that was pretty cuck. But dollar again, guys, as we said, dollar fighting at that weekly pivot. We just need to see dollar close here, guys. But as I said, dollar starts pushing up from here. If this thing holds and dollar starts pushing up, we are going to see a lot of people get hurt this week. Because I think majority of people are all bearish on dollar. No one's expecting to see these big pullbacks. So it's going to get very, very interesting there. Come on, US30, come to the party. If anything, guys, we are just testing the daily EQ and the pivot, so nothing as of yet we really need to be worried about. Nothing that's making me panic too much. I am liking this. You formed a little bit of resistance, came down, held your support. Came down, support held, but now made a resistance. So as long as this candle can break above here, we are still very, very good. So I'm happy with that one. Nas is ready, nice one, same view. Check all brokers trade, yeah. So literally, guys, this 5 minute close like that, I'm happy. I've got no problem with these trades. So it's just about managing your trades, guys, see how they run. But definitely can be a good one. So definitely not going to cut it short like we did yesterday. We're just going to manage the trade and take it from there. But nothing wrong with the trade as of yet. Still very, very happy. What's the TP in your broker? Well, both of them. Well, one. We were just basically running this. So as you'll say, yeah, that's just there for percentage wise, so I can see on my chart here and on my phone as well. There is no TP set. It's just running for now. I'll monitor them as I said. So yeah, just monitoring the trades and we'll take it there. Purely because if these areas break, this can really, really fly. So if this high gets taken, yeah, this trade can really get some volume into it. So you could literally even aim for the R1. So yeah, definitely could see a nice trade coming here if this does break. Come on, just give it to us. Just give it to us, guys. We don't ask for much. Okay, please check GV, JPY. We are in a trade. As I said to you guys, if you want me to check charts, you need to be on time before we start trading. Once sessions start, if you're in trades, I will not be looking at other charts. Okay, so we closed basically on the line, like a millimeter above the zone. But I'm happy with that. I'll take it. I'll take it. Nas is just, there we go. Nas goes. Come on. Come on, these trades. DXY. Ooh, not giving us what we want to see. That is not what we want to see. US30 played hard to get still. There we go. Come on. Just go. Just go. Do 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 do. Any of our guys that are in the chat that can please delete nobody's comment. We do not need that here in the chat. Can I delete it? Oh yeah, I can. There we go. Give it. What do you base your stop loss of probability of the trade, or do you have a set rule of all trades? So no, my stop loss, so me personally, it changes. I always say people, my stop loss needs to be the closest point to where the trade becomes invalid, if that makes sense. So they'll basically be at, for example, a low, where I know if that low gets taken out, the market is now flipped bearish. So yeah, my things will always be at a point where then the market is flipped. But yeah, guys, still not stressing too much over this trade. I think it's just played hard to get, but yeah, not too worried on it just as yet. Nas, though, I'm just really wishing we got. That was our baby. We wanted the whole day.
From my side, guys, just keep an eye on gold. It's very close to my zone, so I'm looking at 1958.44. 1958.44. So if I can just have price get there, hold, give me confirmation, then I'm gonna go long. But I will also update you once I do that.
Do 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 do. Come on, US30. I have faith in it, guys. You just gotta have faith in it. Nas is, oh, that was the beauty, the one we missed. That was the special child we let get away. Gold is, as Jeff said, getting to his area. DXY coming down. So as long as DXY is coming down, we are in there, guys. Hopefully we can get this and catch up where we lost there. But end of the day, guys, that's just what you have to keep in mind because of the spreads. The spreads on US30 are different to NAS. So NAS, yes, your moves look better, but a move can actually move less on US30 and be more than NAS. So just keep that in mind. I wait for the hourly closure yesterday, but then it's Lambo lot time. Alright guys, if there we go, we close like that on the 5. We got a top week, we close it with the highs. I'm with this trade. I'm happy with it. What's R1, RN, and EQ? Please elaborate. R1 is resistance 1. RN round number. EQ is daily equilibrium. And there she goes. There she goes. Okay guys, stop loss to break even. There we go. That's 1% on the trade for me. Can we get some peaches in the chat? There's a 1%, guys. There we go. Starting the week off strong after yesterday. There she goes. Another one, another day. Just another minute Monday. Except it's Tuesday. Have y'all heard of Rocket X? Yeah, they're the fucking clowns of the Forex industry. Thank you. Go. W. Brilliant trade. Appreciate it, guys. Peaches. Boom. Great trade. Where would your TP be? I'll look a bit more now for TP, but that was TP1 that's been hit over here already now. So if you guys are happy with that, you can close. But I'll let this run for a little bit longer before I close out on it. Stops are at break even, so it's running risk free. So for me, I'm happy to go eat break even if I do. But I think this can run. Likes up the stream, boys. These Jez here for us daily. Yo, guys, 255 viewers, only 157 likes. Can we get those likes to 200? We're giving you guys trades like this on the daily. All we ask for is some likes, guys. Keys, you think this thing can run 1 to 3? 100%, bro. 100% it can. Why you say so, bro? Because their flipping spreads are dog shit. My TP 34 140. Those keys don't. What? Those keys don't look at US30. I'm on US30, bro. You mean Nas? Because I'm on. I don't know what you mean. Thanks for the trade, brother. Appreciate it, guys. Hit TP already. There we go. Jason Lockett. Shop, bro. Every day I come to the stream, but every day I make more. I make money. You guys are the best. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Yeah, US30 going. Yo, guys, my first area is going to be about 34 155. Let's see, what can we find in that zone? 34 1. Hey, that was 34 155. Am I losing my mind here? 34 150, yeah. Let's go, 4 hour. 34 150. Yes, that's like up here. Yeah, no, definitely can. Do 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 do. But yeah, guys, there we go. Another trade done and dusted for you guys. Anyone else's brokers? Don't usually look at US30. Oh, okay. Well, I hope you took the trade with us today, Minty. Anyone else's broker? Sometimes. None of mine, but I do know a few guys that do. That's just very dependent on your broker that you use. That's first TP hit, go for second TP. Oh, bro, these things are going to fly. If dollar has that fall off now, so if it gets under this weekly key level, like Asia highs untested, Asia lows untested, gap fill, like this, yeah, these pairs can really take off. Like really, really take off. Gold. Jeff, did you get your intro gold?
Not as yet. Still waiting. I'm
Okay,
having a very boring session, to be honest.
Okay. Damn right, bro. Keeks, on your MT5 app on your phone, can you see what your stop loss is in rands?
It depends. It depends. I've noticed regarding that question, Jason. With sometimes with, for instance, my live account, personal account, I don't see on there, but on Vault Funder with the challenge, I do see in rands. So I think it depends on your broker. Can you see the rands?
Well, my stop loss is at break even now, so
And
my
no
stop
TP.
loss just shows my stop loss.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I know you guys. Someone mentioned that it shows like when you put.
Oh,
that what the
also-
amount is,
also
but
one thing
I
I've-
haven't seen that yet.
Yeah, and also one thing is on certain pairs maybe you won't be able to see your like you can see it now like on US30. I think when I was trading, okay, I might be confusing myself as well, but I also think some pairs also don't allow you to see it on certain pairs basically.
Do you think gold could go back up? 100% it can. I am bullish on gold, so I want the buys. I want it to go back up. If 1,000 USD for you, how much you will profit in one day? You can't really say that. No, you can't really say that. It depends on market conditions, trading conditions. It depends on, like, there can be a trading day I might make 1%, but there's a trading day I can make 20%. It depends on the trading conditions and what's currently on that day. I can't just say I'm going to make this amount. On vault markets, I can see the rand value. Okay, well, like I said, guys, I can't see it on my side. So I don't know if it's maybe something's turned off or what, but I can't see it on my side. I can see a vault funder on currency pairs, but not on Nas and US30. Yeah, I don't know what that is, guys. I've never even looked at that. Like, genuinely, I've never looked at that. So I won't lie to you and say this or that. Like, I genuinely don't know. So yeah, that's interesting, but yeah, I don't know why it does that. What is DXY doing? If DXY literally closes under this key level, guys, we are golden. Nah, it's coming down a little bit, but that's fine. Gold starting to regain its footing. But this is our baby for the day. But thanks, Jeff. I just wanted to know if it was just me.
It's all good. It's all good. We get to help.
A minute 30. Let's see what DXY does here, guys. Yo, you guys will see, eh? We've got this sexy little Jabazana here in the office with us. I just don't know if the man's taking some naughty trades here, if he's following the Discord.
When I went inside now, this man was heavy looking at the charts there. It's like he was steering the market down.
Oh, Jabba, what you doing, my boy? Hey. Alright, guys, well, it looks like snap the gold by 1960. Oh, beautiful. Okay, 40 seconds left, guys. Let's see if DXY can close like this. Gold is gone. Really? Alright, no, man. We just want it back above that key level. Then we are going to look to buy it. So, yeah, not gone yet. But DXY just closed below that key level. 15 seconds. Can it do it? Can it do it? Please check GU. I don't check any other pairs out of when I'm in New York session. We've introduced that rule, and since then we've caught all the trades we want to catch. So I'm sticking to that rule.
By the way, guys, did you see the moment you guys liked the stream? Keegan got a setup, so if you can push some more likes, maybe I get a setup.
Ooh. DXY is being naughtier. Trying to fight with us here at US30. US30 running and gold running. Thank you, Keys. I'm about to pass my first funded account finally after 3 attempts. Such a pleasure, brother. Such a pleasure. Yeah, if you want to post about my man, tag us in and we'll reshare it for you. Love to see you guys succeeding. Yeah, gold can get back above the daily key level. I would love to take another buy there, guys. We all break even, so I have my bullet to spare. Some one in the chamber. Just need them both to climb a bit more, then we'll tag you. Appreciate it, bro. Like I said, gold I 100% think will climb a bit more for you. We're basically already at that key level. So that's what I'm waiting for. DXY, like I said, DXY falls like that. We're golden. We are golden, baby. So just waiting for that. Nas coming back. So hopefully US30 will also turn around and go a little bit more bullish for us again. But we are chilling. We are chilling, yeah, guys. Come on, guys. Let's get those likes to 200, guys. That's all we're asking. You guys can make some money with us. You guys can at least just give it a like. Hey, there we go. US30. That's what we want. There we go, guys. Whoa, hold on. This is like my second or third harmony. Where's Billy? Pass me Billy. Billy, look at this thing, guys. This thing's off the screen. It's not, I'm not even looking anymore. The thing's gone. It's literally going. Peach Nation, New York family. From myself and Billy. This is how we do it, guys. W's in the chat, guys. W's all flippin' day. That's it, guys. Messiah, that was just for you, bro, so you can pass that account. I'm going to close it out there, guys, purely because now I definitely have a lot of money to take that shot at gold. So I'm literally going to close it, guys. That's me. I'm closing that trade there. So that is us there. So you guys can still let it run if you want to. www. The W, Chad. He spams animal races and snaps pips. That's it. Brain balls and execution. Did Mo Money get in? He didn't. Mo Money for some reason doesn't believe in these New York sessions. I don't know why, but he doesn't believe in it. That's a chat. Nas going again. Gold. Let's see if we can get this thing now. So DX, we're having that dump off there. Gold. Let's just see if we can get this naughty one. Pray for Mo. Oh, Chad, you guys are crazy. I want Jazz Keys, you fucking goat. Let's go. Yes, please, shot, lads. My goat is coming today, Keegan. Oh, bro, I promise you got so much fun with it. I love this flipping thing. Go family. Nah, we are just waiting. We got our US30. Oh yeah, the 5-minute close. Let's see how that 5-minute. Okay, that thing dumped. Oh, that's down. Did it? Ooh. Rejected the key level. I just need to get into this key level, guys. If that can get above the key level, I am in. I will be in there. See what we can get you guys. Chris, how's that GJ looking? Chris isn't here, guys. He left the office, but I can tell you now, I know what he was looking for. So I'll tell you now what he... if anything, if Chris was watching it, where was this now? That was 4 o'clock, yeah. I think I was looking back, Asia lows. That forms, yeah. If anything, guys, I think Chris would have entered, yeah, maybe. Purely because he would have waited for this resistance that had formed over here and there. Came back with the break structure. There might have been a bit too much, so it wasn't that much of a pullback. So, again, he is on the school run. So, I don't know if he is in the chat or if he got it. But I think that's where he would have entered on that trade. Yeah, that's probably where I would have. But again, his 80 is not bullish, so I don't know if he would have gone for it just of yet. DXY, massive push back up. US30 coming down. So, yeah, we closed at the perfect time up there, guys. We literally closed out perfectly there. Nas coming down. So, we are just trying to see if we can get in on gold. Otherwise, we are going to call it a day there, guys. But, I mean... Great trade on US30.
Yeah, and the guys from my side so far, nothing that I like to see, nothing yet that's my cup of tea, put it that way. So yeah, we're just waiting it out, and if there's nothing today, there's nothing. Tomorrow's another day.
Oh, that's it, bro. Like, don't force it. Like I said, Mondays were slow, guys. Tuesday we came in and we killed it today. So it was a good one. We made up for the slow markets yesterday. So don't need to force anything. We have our wins. Rather walk away with a nice smile on our face today than crying. But I am very happy with those. So I say DXY, and all I'm looking for now is gold, guys. I caught my move. So Nas ran away from us. Some of the guys got in. I'm so happy for you guys. US30 gave us that chance. We took it without a second guess. We got our winner there. Oh my word.
It was the great one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Jabba,
Jabba?
just send me the thing you said.
Did you take that trade with us?
Hey, yeah, but I was fighting the purpose and I don't take TP at the other one. I'm like,
Oh.
I'm winning now again, so.
Oh.
It's good, I must say. It's actually insane.
Nah, it is. It really is. What time frame do you input your pivot points? So I input my solid lines. So let's just go to gold. You can see it on gold. I go to my 4 hour. These ones, weekly support, weekly pivot, weekly resistance. Those are marked out on the 4 hours. So you'll see that's where they come in on the 4 hour. The 15, they are just on the screen. They come in with the indicator. So for example, where the hell are they today? Why are they not showing you? Oh, there. That's the normal ones. You can see it's there now. Where on the weekly, it's over there. So these ones now, that's your daily. So daily support, daily pivot, daily resistance. So yeah, that's your indicators, how that works. GJ bars only above the daily pivot. Okay, well there you guys go. Neil actually trades like Chris, so he'd have a better answer for you guys. So there we go. He's in the chat. He was, but as I said, he's on the school right now. What time frame do you? Oh, that's the one I just answered, bro. Did you have trade? You're slow. Did you have trade US oil? We don't trade US oil, yeah, guys. What is the prop firm called? Vault funded, Vault funder. So with the R at the end. Okay, Gio, I started with $100 when you first started the New York session. Playing with the minis today, my account hit $350. I know it's not much compared to others, but I'm super grateful. Thank you so much, bro. I really, really appreciate that, bro. And that's the thing. Don't compare yourself to anyone else. That's your journey. You're on that journey by yourself. So that's it, bro. Just keep grafting, keep at it, and you'll be there, my man. Before you blink, I promise you that account will be at $1,000. There's gonna be at $2,000, $3,000. Just keep at the consistency and you'll get there. Don't ever compare yourself to anyone else. Tell us exact entry. Exact entry or what, bro? I'm not in on anything. Would you say the Nas traders left the station, or would you still look at the initial entry? I wouldn't, bro. You had that big push, so I wouldn't. If anything, like, you get in these little re-entries, but I wouldn't. I always say to guys, I don't sacrifice my entry. Yeah, I have my entry. If I don't get my entry that I want, I don't take the trade. I don't look at like second choices. I don't like to be a second choice, so I don't accept second choices. While the geo profit is profit, 100%, guys. Wow. Wow, the geo. I don't know why it's a wow. I just don't trade oil. Gold. I'll tell you the exact entry when I do enter, but as I said, I want the daily key level. We need to get above that. So the 1965 5 or 55.9, we need to get above this key level over here, guys. Where the alert is set now, we need to get above here. So once we are above this, I'll look for a retest, enter, and then go long. Very, very simple on that one. Okay. Can you break down your trade on US30, like why you took it? Okay, I'll get into that for you now. Yeah, Geo, it's sitting at 50%. It's insane, man. No, it definitely is. So that's why I said to guys, don't compare yourself. End of the day, I always say to guys, look at percents, not actual money. Because when you start seeing the percentage, then you'll really start seeing how actually good that is. She likes to zigzag Nas. If you missed the zag, you missed it. Thank you. But okay, guys, go quickly over to that US30 trade. We'll talk about why I took the trade. So again, I said I am bullish. Whole thing is, yeah, guys, we basically traded, yeah. So if I can show you guys, yeah, quickly. Why is this? Oh, yeah, because I had to trade my different things. That's why. So obviously we were jumping through. So quickly, I just need to mark out my sessions for you guys for this chart. So I can tell you it was that one there. So yeah, just give me a sec here, guys, and then I will get into why we took that trade. Okay. Alright. So we were trading up the whole day. So what I said to you guys, what we spoke about is we traded down the whole day. And like I said, you always have to have a pullback. So at this point in time, Asia highs were untested. So we came in, we literally tested Asia highs. We came back down, breaking below Asia lows. So now that you've tested, everyone thinks the sells are clearly on. So you break back down. What happens? Everyone now wants to start jumping to the sells. They go and break below, retest. Again, you've seen it, the chat, you guys do it yourselves. You guys jump in before getting a confirmation. So they collect all those sells and bang, they stop all of you guys out, fake you out. Retest Asia highs, hold, okay? So you had the fake out, retest Asia highs again. So they come through, do the same thing. But now they go fake out. They don't just take out Asia lows, they take out the daily key level, daily highs. So they can make the low of the day. So there was your previous low of yesterday. So if you guys know me, when I trade, I am bullish on US30. Keep in mind, that was my bias. I only wanted to look for buys. So when we took out the low of yesterday, you've invalidated the lows. You've taken that liquidity sweep. Now you can continue higher. So we've taken out the low of yesterday. Now we want to set the high. So we can now go take Asia lows, break above, retest. Break Asia highs, retest. Then we wanted to go get, and the thing is that retest also retested our EQ and daily pivot, which was untested for the day. So all we did is, now that we retested those, that's why I said to you, I was okay holding this rejection, because all I knew that rejection was a rejection off the EQ and the pivot. But then when we came back down to retest, we could get back above. And once we closed there, as you guys can see, that this candle closed above that area of rejection. So where do you get this now, this push? You want to form an area of rejection for that to be broken to then volume have pump in. So that there formed the equal high for the day, which was our rejection. Come down, get a volume again at Asia highs, come back. I said to you, all we wanted was a closure above. We got that close above, and then we had the volume give us that push up. So very, very simple. And again, we knew from the day, all we wanted was to get buys. And that's why I talked to you guys the whole time about your top-down analysis being so important. Because people are going to look for sells. They're going to see this and go, ooh, breaks. We saw it happen. Okay, we got faked out. It's just going to retest. And it does push down again. It's a sell. Let's go for the sell. You're looking in the wrong place. If I know I'm looking for buys. Sorry guys. If I'm looking for buys, then I know, like, ignore this. It's irrelevant. I'm not going to get FOMO because I'm not looking for that in the first place. So ignore this and have your key areas you want to break above to show you that their momentum, the buyers have come in. Same thing when we had this year, you had a strong push off of it the whole time. Just higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and just continue the whole time. Showing us that the buyers are stepping in now. And that's when you know, okay, New York session, volumes coming, the trends coming in now. You've taken out the low of the previous day. All your boxes are just being ticked. So, yeah, that's how we took the trade on a US30. Thank you very much. I'm trying to learn US30, but I find it very hard to understand. I would like to start to trade it next year. Yeah, guys, so for me, I started my trade on US30. So, US30 and NAS were like my baby. So, yeah, that's where I actually started my trading journey. But there she carries on going, guys. But as I said, I'm very, very happy. I'm happy with my profits for the day. But DXY coming down, gold coming, yeah. So I might even just have a little runner for gold for the day, and then I'll call it. What's the website for Vault Funder? It is vaultfunder.trade. Otherwise, in our description, guys, you can find the link there. Come on, guys. There's 6 more likes. Can we get those likes to 200? We're going to see this pump up, and then we can get our entry over there. Let's see how this candle closes here, guys. This 5. I actually might even just enter off this area purely because of literally similar with gold. We've now came down, we've rejected. Didn't go, we just set the low, came back up, formed this area of rejection from the key level, came back out, made now support area. If this can close above this area, we are in. So I might even just take a little swing at this one now, since I am up on the day. Can you share how you use MA? What's MA?
Moving average.
Oh yeah, flip. I don't really use it that much, so I just look at it to see, as it's kind of like just subtle in the back of my head nowadays, but I don't actually like really use it. If anything, I look more at where my 200 is. That I look at. I don't really actually care about these two. Like I said, it's always subconscious. Like I used it when I started trading. Now, like I say, it's just there. Maybe in the back of my head, I actually take it into consideration without me even clicking. But the only one I'd say truly is important is your 200. Because end of the day, those EMAs and your moving average are just showing you the same thing that the AD is doing. US30 making me happy. Alex, are you still holding that, bro? Damn, there it goes. Like I said, guys, this thing can pump. But I'm happy. I'm chill. This is the start of the week. Always nice to start your week off, and I can already go like chill now. I can do what I want to do. No stress. So yeah, very, very good one to start off the week. Okay, the 5 minutes still closing below, so can't enter there. Keegs, have you guys taken a trade? Yeah, we've already closed in profits. We took this trade here on US30. So some of the guys are still holding, Chris, but we caught this bad boy here. So New York session is already 1 up on the morning bell again. You gotta watch out, eh? You can't keep slipping like this. US30 making me also happy. Nah, loving it, guys, loving it. 1 to 3, boy. Oh, bro, I told you this thing gonna fly. Like, it's gonna fly. For me, my first TP would have been 34,150. So yeah, you can hold till that, bro. 34,150 was my TP. But beautiful, beautiful trade. Damn, Fuego. Hey, you know what it's at. You know what it is. New York says is the biz. Just a couple pips, then 1 to 3 secured. No, I back it, bro. I back it. I really do. I said I'm happy. Yeah. I've already got my trades for the day. So, like I said, I might take a naughty one on gold once we get above the key level again. But US30 was a banger trade, guys. Banger trade. So, yeah, you literally, like I said, that was initial TP. So, Alex, like, if I was you, I would close out there very, very soon. That's my personal opinion. You can hold this if you want to, but like that's my TP, bro. Like I would close there. Like literally now, I would even risk it for like those extra pips, bro. Like that, I would just close. Like honestly, like I'm not trying to take away from you. Hold it if you want to, but again, like I say, you start risking all of this just for that little push. But there you go. That's literally TP now. So if anything, wait for how this 5 minute closes. You've got 20 seconds. Otherwise, I would close this one. Let's see what it does, Alex. Just for you. We are watching you, bro. We are watching you. There we go. There she goes. I hope that's your 1, 2, 3, my brother. But it was a beautiful, beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade. Nas still going strong. Gold. Let's go. What is the trading view indicator that shows the pivot lines on your pivot on your screen? It's pivot standard. That is the indicator. Profits in the bag, boys. Thanks so much, guys. Always, my brother. Let's fucking go. The New York session fam is where it's at, guys. We do not miss here. We do not miss. Just need gold now and phase 1 smash. Thanks, boys. Gold's. Oof. Gold might even give it to us now, guys. We get a little break here. We are in. We are in. We'll take a little naughty one here since we had some profits. Might just take a little squeeze at it then. But yeah, no, that US30 was a banging trade. DXY is still falling off, so I'm very, very happy with how things are sitting for us now, guys. Let's see. What's some of the news here? Shows I'm trying to Tuesday. Okay, nothing major really. Nothing that we have to be worried about. Keys, are you trading same setups or concepts as Chris? If not, what difference? So Chris is pivots, AD. Yes, he's structure breaks and structure formations, and I'm key levels in a basically summarized version. So yeah, we have some things that are similar, but we are different as well. Brilliant trade of US30. I was so wrong with indices. I really thought because of the Asia stocks intra dump spill over to your session, no losses made luckily. Oh bro, so I'm guessing you didn't take the trade with us. But yeah, you know what? I respect someone that can come on and at least say, you know what, they were wrong. 100%. These other guys all want to call out, oh, it's this, it's that. Like my brother Anton, where was his sell now? Every day, New York session, you got some guys coming here trying to take me on in the trades, and every single time it's their stop loss hit and my TP hit, but they never learn. So I respect the guy that can come on here and say, you know what, Flip, he was wrong, but this is why. He had his reasons. He stuck to his trading plan, but then he thought, okay, well, let me see how this works, and he can admit it. 100%. I've got respect for someone like that. But yeah, guys, it was a really good trade. I'm literally gonna wait for this 5 minute on gold because she is just playing with us now. If this doesn't close above, guys, I think we are gonna call the stream there then for the day. We've got our trades, so no need to be greedy. I'm up, I think, 3% for the day now on this trade. So yeah, I'm very, very happy to call it there. Cheers, but live and learn. 100%, bro. Have a lekker one, my man. Hope to see you back here again. So yeah, let's just see how this 5 minute closes, guys. Thanks for the profit shares. Have a sit afternoon. Alex, have a great one, brother. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Entered at 34.11 and closed at 34.152. Money, my brother. That is just profits right there, sketchy. Nas100. What about Nas? We called Nas as well, but Nas just was that person today and ran without us. But we were still able to get our entry on US30 and hopefully might get something here on gold. Let's see. But like I said, guys, we're going to give this 5 minutes and then I'm calling it. Jeff, still nothing on your side, brother?
Yeah, nothing on my side. I'm not gonna force anything. Nothing is at my zones. Even Nasdaq, it's literally stuck between two zones. So, and also the timing right now is almost 6, so not worth the headache.
Yeah, no, 100%. No need to. Yo, guys, I can see this 5 minute. This thing's not gonna flip and play along with us. Dollar is closing off this thing, knowing it's probably at 9 o'clock tonight. It's gonna shoot up. But I'm okay with that. That just sets up for tomorrow. Nas and US30 to the moon. On the daily Nas hitting resistance. But yeah, guys, that's us. Another great day trading, another one. So yeah, we're gonna call it there, guys. Thank you for joining us as always. Really appreciate having you guys here. We ate today. We ate those pips. We had a good one. We got those money bags. And we'll be back tomorrow. Same time, same place. Myself and Jev. Otherwise, keep safe, guys. Keep those profits nice and handy. And we'll see you tomorrow. Peace and love.
Awesome, guys. Check you guys tomorrow.